ETOR stock analysis and ETOR stock predictions. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you whether this is a buy or not for me. I'm the only person in this space with 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And with eToro group, man, like it's just, yeah, even with the limited amount of data, this was like a bearish market for me, even what from there. I mean, it's clearly delivered. That was my bias. I mean, it just kind of kept down, but that was nail on the head. All I have to say is that it's still a bearish market to me. Like, this is a 15-minute chart, but if there is some sort of confirmation, I'm still going to look to take it down. Other than that, this is all pure noise. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, then just clearly click the first link in the description and get my free emails. But yeah, with eToro, I think this is about to be juicy, and this is why I'm going to continue to keep you updated. So stay tuned, goodbye, and enjoy. For free insights and emails, click the first link below. Not going to be disappointed since it's actually free. Goodbye.